What's up, guys? This is Kobe with Sample Source, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about some IG hacks you can use to increase your sales and DM open rates on Instagram. I'm excited to get into this video. Let's jump into it. Okay, I'm super excited to get into this video and all the content we're going to discuss. It's going to be a very quick video, but I think it's going to be very helpful and beneficial for you. So before we get into the video, I wanted to make sure you know that I actually have an Instagram sales training that you can watch. It's an amazing video that's going to, I know it's in my words, but I'm really proud of it. I put a lot of time into it, and it's going to show you my exact philosophy behind getting beat sales, my exact methods behind getting beat sales, and it's all going to be structured in sequence so that you can really get a lot out of it, and hopefully it'll transform your business and you'll start to scale it up and see how that you can scale it into a full-time thing using Instagram manual outreach. It's going to show all of my secret sauce behind that. So it's a really great video. It's completely for free, and it's going to pitch my course at the end. So if you're interested in getting even more transformation in your business and scaling it up and making thousands of dollars off of Beats Online, then that is something that I think you would be interested in. So the free sales training video is below in the description. You can go and check that out. So to jump into the video, what we're going to be discussing is some IG hacks. So the three hacks that we're going to discuss today, the first one being how to sell with email list and your close friends on IG. So it's a balance between those two. The second one is going to be why you shouldn't like DMs. And the third one is going to be replying to stories. So I'm going to discuss why those are valuable. So the first one being close friends. So what I did is I went and found all of the people that had bought beats for me. I put them into my close friends. And, you know, at the time, I think it was only about 50 or 60 people that bought beats from me or bought customs or exclusives. So I put all of those people into my close friends. After that, I went and sent out an email blast that basically said that all of my exclusive beats were going for a certain amount for that month. I think it was $350 at the time. So I sent that out, and then I went to my close friends and put a post on IG that said, I just sent out an email about an exclusive offer. And this basically piqued people's interest because they're in my close friends, so they see that. Also, they already were interested in that kind of offer because they'd already bought it before in the past. So after I sent that out, a few people responded, and I told them my prices, what they were going for at the time. And one person took me up on it, and I earned $350 that way. So I think that that is important to note, that you can go and add in all of the artists that are on your email list or all of the artists that follow you. And you can go and put a poll up that says who wants to be added to my email list for exclusive offers. Whoever responds yes, go and hit them up and get their email, put them in your email list, and then test out this method if you already don't have a list. And you can use MailChimp or Aweber, which both integrate with BeatStars, and then you can start using this method, and hopefully it'll help you to get some beat sales. The second thing we're going to talk about is why you shouldn't like DMs. And what I mean by that is when you like heart a DM or put a thumbs up on it or something like that, why you shouldn't do that after you send a message. You should do it before you send a message to them, because the last action that you take on Instagram is what it's going to show them whenever they open up their DMs and scroll through them. It's just going to see that you liked a message from them, not that you actually sent one. So sometimes they think that the conversation was over and they're not even going to open up that chain of conversation again. So make sure that you don't like it after you send the message. If you're going to like their DM, then make sure that you like it before you send your message. And that way it's going to show up and they're going to actually see what you DM'd them. So that's important, because if you let them know, like, hey, I just sent you a BeatStars playlist. Hey, I just sent you some beats that maybe you would vibe out to, then they're not even going to see that, and you're going to lose out on some potential sales. Okay, so the third and final IG hack that we're going to talk about is replying to stories. So when you send messages to people that don't follow you back on Instagram, it's going to go into their request folder. However, there is a way to get past this. What you need to do is go to their stories and reply to it with the DM. So maybe the artist posted one of their songs on there, and you can just reply and say like, hey, this song is fire. I just heard it today. Just wanted to introduce myself or something like that. And they're going to respond and say, oh, thank you, I appreciate it. And then you can get into your whole spill where you try to, sell them a beats through DMs, if that's how you sell beats, or you can just develop a relationship with them organically and just kind of build that over time and hopefully get some sales later in the future. So those are 3 methods that I use to increase my sales with Instagram. Hopefully that's helped you in some way, shape, or form today. If it has, be sure to subscribe to the channel, but also make sure that you check out the free Instagram sales training. I think that it will really help you to scale your business, and I mean that seriously. So make sure you check it out. Link is in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video.